All right, on this one, I'll be covering 101 and 142. I will not be doing them all, but rather getting you started. So, whenever we deal with fractions, when we add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. So, this halves and fifths are an issue. Me personally, I'm a picture person, so I like to visually understand it. So, if I had a box, half of that, 1/2 is x over 2. And on this one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get one box on this. So those sizes are different. And in order for me to do this, I need the same sizes. So what I'm going to do is split that. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. That works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Okay. So that 1/2 is really 5 of 10 pieces. This 1/5 is really 2 of 10 pieces is going to equal 6. So that's the way my mind does it. I need to visually understand it. So now that those are the same sizes, I can split those into get that 6. So 5x plus 2x is 7x over 10 equals 6. All fractions are a form of division. So a fraction, you multiply by the numerator and you divide by the denominator. All fractions are a form of division. All of them. So if this is division, because it's on the bottom, to cancel it out, I have to multiply. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So these cancel, and this is 7x equals 60. X equals 60 over 7. I do not want a decimal. Leave it a fraction. Because once we make it a decimal, we have to worry about rounding precision. Don't need it. That's one way of doing it. Another way of dealing with this problem is to clear the fraction. And to clear the fraction, you're going to do the same thing you did in a different way. So you see that dividing by 10, that multiplying by 10, start with it. So keeping in mind what fractions do, you have to 10 divided by 2 is going to give you your 5x. 10 divided by 5 is going to give you your 2x. And then you still have to multiply that by 60. Clearing that fraction is going to get you there with the same amount of work. So it's up to you. It doesn't matter to me, as long as your answer is reasonable and makes sense. So for example, on this one, I'm multiplying everything by 10 so I can clear a fraction. I have to pick a number that is divisible by both for this to work. So 10 divided by 5 is 2x minus 10 divided by 10. Everything on that numerator has to stay together. Equals 10 times 1, 10. So this is 2x minus x minus 2 equals 10. So this is x minus 2 equals 10. This is x equals 12. Makes sense to me. So if you want to clear the fraction, cool. If you don't, you need to get a common denominator. So if you didn't, what you could do is make this 2x over 10 minus x plus 2 over 10 equals 1. And then solve it that way. still going to end up with the same answer.